Thank God it's Friday. Welcome back to Grandma Cat's Corner. Today's topic is who is the person in the mirror? When you look at yourself in the mirror, what do you see? If all you see is flaws, you won't be able to see your own potential. If all you see is good, you will never be able to improve yourself. In life, you're born with certain genes in a specific family. As you get older, you have choices. You can hold on to the person you have become or trade in your less desirable attributes for new ones. You play the game of life with 4 major cards in your hands: genetics, child and family development, life experiences, and personalities. Mirror, mirror in my hand, who's the fairest of them all? If you was to look in this mirror or your mirror and ask that question, how would you respond if the mirror said a name that was not yours? Who you see in the mirror is an important piece of who you are. A reflection worth sharing with the next generation who are trying to decide how they feel about themselves. Unfortunately, society places value judgment on our looks based on beauty, skin color, size, and gender. Who do you see in the mirror versus what everyone else sees? Who do you want to be when you look in the mirror? Who do you hope your descendants and loved ones see when they look at you? What do you want them to remember about your face? Only you can make the change. So when you look into the mirror, either mine's or yours, and you're not happy with what you see, and you want to make changes, it's never too late to make changes. You can always make those changes if you want to. I want you guys to have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you when? Next Friday. Bye.